What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am back at it with another banger, man. Hold on, man. Y'all peep the watch, man. Y'all peep the rollie. Nah, I'm just playing, but hey, I'm finna be making a Detroit type beat, man. So I ain't gonna lie, I haven't been making Detroit type beats lately, so we gonna see how this go, man. But hey, before we get into this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on no big body bangers, man. Without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So I'm finna start off with the 808s, and I'm finna just take some inspiration from the Real the Young OG Legendary. So let's get into it. So I'm finna put it on it's at 140 right now, but I'm probably finna turn it down. I'm just trying to get the right metronome on it. All right, so the BPM for the Legendary is 96, so I'm finna turn this down a little bit. All right, now let's get into it. All right, now that we got our 808s out the way, I'm finna head over to the hi-hats. Add some claps in there, so let's get into it. Probably just throw a little keyboard in there. Repeat the melody and then just put this one up one. So. Keep it simple like that, man. Now I'm about to repeat this over. Oops, copy this over. Turn this down a little bit. And then probably turn the octaves up a little bit. Put 12 up. Say it now, man. The beat don't really sound that fire. Y'all said, I don't know. I might have to add a little boom, 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 boom. I might have to add a little. Hold on, man. Let me see what I can do. I was just throwing a little mix on there. And yeah, this is the final product. So yeah, man, let's listen to it.